gardening. Do you have a green thumb or a black thumb like me? Well, I am here at City Mill Ewa Beach with Iris. Hi.
Hi.
We are learning about container gardening today.
A lot of people don't have room.
Yeah.
You know, they have very small yards, they rent, they can't dig into the ground. They have only balconies. You need to put something in a container. A lot of people use containers also to bring into the house. Now you can grow anything in a container. So we have all different sizes. These are nursery containers. A lot of our plants will come like this. People will buy decorative pots for this to go into. For the really big sizes, I like the plastic containers because they make it look like it's heavy, but it's not. It's really light. We have bowls like this.
So this is interesting. What is this?
This is a fabric pot. They're very lightweight. They come with handles, so you can pick them up all over the place and move them. They are BPA and lead-free. They let a lot of moisture out. You will never overwater this plant.
So you actually keep the plant in here?
The plants don't get root bound in here. You can start with a full plant like this, or you can plant seeds. I would suggest use a Jiffy pot like this. You can plant many different ones in here, and you just plant the whole thing in it. It won't ruin the root system. You want to actually wet the soil a little bit before you put it in. Dig a hole, cover up all the way to the top. You want to make sure that the new soil is actually covering the old soil. Water it a little bit.
Well, that's easy enough. I think we can all do it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So all of these things can be found at all the City Mill locations?
Absolutely, and at citymill.com.
Wonderful, Iris. Well, thank you so much.
No
I feel like I learned a lot in this
good.
short time. You guys can learn too. Check out any of the City Mill locations. We'll have more up on HiNowDaily.com.
Brought to you by City Mill.